Again of focal length. That is the aim of the experiment, is to find the focal length of a convex lens using no parallax method. But in this parallax method, the procedure is something different. You will see, as in the diagram, you will arrange the object pin O. You can see the object pin O in the diagram, L the lens, and the image pin I on the optical bench. According to diagram, you can see O is the object, L is the lens, and I is the image. Now, this position of image I is at no parallax position. That means when you see the inverted image of the object at point I, both image should move sideways together. That means it's no parallax position. What are you going to do? You're going to place the object pin at distance of 30 centimeter. Now, this 30 centimeter is already given in the question paper at 30 centimeter, and then record the position of image pin, that is V. As shown in the observation, in place of V, you are going to write the position of the image. Thereafter, you will calculate M, that is V upon U. And then finally, you have to find out the focal length of convex lens by a formula which is already given, that is V upon M plus 1. In the same way, for other position of view, that is 40, 50, 60, 70, you're going to record the position of an image pin, that is V. And you're going to substitute these values in the observation table, and thereafter you have to calculate the value of M and F. Finally, you have to find the value of F, that is the average value of all the 5 readings. And you have to record its value with the proper units. After you take out the mean of all F, your answer should be up to 1 decimal point. Now, this was the method which you will be applying to find the focal length of a convex lens by a no parallax method. Now, Roshan sir is going to demonstrate the experiment, how to go with it. And then he is going to only give you 1 reading. Rest 4 readings you are going to record whenever you come to the school. And make sure that all the experiment, whatever we are showing you, they have to be recorded in the practical files. So this will be your 3rd experiment in your practical files. Okay? Great. Roshan sir, now please.
Good morning class. According to procedure, first we will keep the object pin at 0 centimeter mark, then lens at 30 centimeter mark. Then how to remove the parallax? Same procedure. You will move the image pin towards the lens when you will see the no parallax. Image of the object and image pin both will move equally. This is called no parallax position. It's coming 45. The position of I is equal to 45. You can see 45. It means V is equal to 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30, it means 15 centimeter. 15.0 centimeter. So according to formula U, it means 15. U is equal to 15 upon V. V is equal to U is equal to 30. Is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. So F is equal to V upon M plus 1. V is equal to 15 and M, the value of M is coming 0.5 plus 1. It means 15 upon 1.5 is equal to 10. So F is equal to 10.0 centimeter. Same procedure for second reading. Again you will adjust the lens at 40 centimeter. Again same procedure. You move the image pin towards the lens when you will see the no parallax. You will know the it means position of I minus position of lens is equal to V. Thank you.
One thing more, when U increases, Okay, rest 4 readings you will record when you come to the school for the practicals. Thank you.